Welcome to the channel. Most riders over 50 don't quit because they stopped loving motorcycles. They quit because 200-mile rides leave them negotiating with ibuprofen bottles. Hand numbness lasts for days, and picking up 600-pound bikes after drops feels impossible. But 7 adventure bikes exist that manufacturers quietly engineer for aging bodies. Lower seats, lighter weight, automatic transmissions, heated everything. Bikes designed for experience, not Instagram. Number 7 starts at $5,799. Number 1 changes everything. Let's find the bike that refuses to let age end your adventure. Number 7, Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Remember the original Himalayan? That bike vibrated so badly your dental fillings rattled loose by Tuesday. It broke down more often than your nephew's promises to help you move furniture. Forums were full of riders complaining, dealers were apologizing, and Royal Enfield was pretending everything was fine. Riders called it character. Mechanics called it job security. Then something changed. Royal Enfield looked at all that feedback, swallowed their pride, and rebuilt the Himalayan from absolute scratch. Not a refresh, not updates, complete teardown and redesign. Like they were apologizing to every single person who bought the first one and suffered through it. They actually listened for once instead of making excuses. Now, $5,799 gets you something nobody expected from Royal Enfield. That 5-inch TFT screen runs Google Maps navigation directly into the display, not through your phone that mysteriously dies at 47% battery, not Bluetooth that disconnects randomly. Actual built-in turn-by-turn directions like manufacturers finally remembered. It's 2026 and technology exists. The 452 cubic centimeters liquid, cooled single, makes 40 horsepower. Doesn't sound impressive reading numbers on paper until you realize it's literally double the old bike's power while producing 0 vibration at highway speeds. Your hands stay comfortable for hours. Your mirrors actually show what's behind you instead of vibrating abstract paintings. The 31.7 inches low seat option means your feet plant firmly without tiptoeing like you're trying to peek over a fence awkwardly. At 432 pounds fully fueled, picking it up after a drop doesn't require calling your entire contact list desperately. Showa suspension with 7.9 inches travel smooths potholes. 17-liter tank provides 300-plus mile range. The single buzzes above 70 miles per hour, but Google Maps' built-in and manageable weight make this the Himalayan they should have built first. Royal Enfield finally proved they can build reliable motorcycles when they actually try. But what if you want flagship suspension without flagship pricing? 6 breaks every rule. Number 6, CF Moto Ibex 450. Picture yourself at a dealership. The salesman shows you adventure bikes with $12,000 price tags and fully adjustable KYB suspension, like it's some exclusive feature reserved for people who shower in champagne. You nod politely while mentally calculating how many months of retirement funds that requires. He mentions the suspension again, like it justifies the mortgage-level pricing. He's convinced you'll pay extra because quality costs money and similar nonsense. Then you see the CF Moto Ibex 450 sitting there at $6,499 with the exact same KYB components. Fully adjustable inverted fork. Fully adjustable rear shock. You ask the salesman if there's a typo on the price tag. There isn't. CF Moto just decided profit margins are optional. Apparently, that 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin with 270-degree crank sounds like a proper V-twin without the weight destroying your parking lot. Confidence. Juan Premium Spanish brakes with switchable Bosch ABS. 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth, USB Type-C port, because nobody uses micro USB anymore except rental car companies. Everything works like it should without cheap shortcuts or corner cutting. The seat drops to 31.5 inches via adjustable linkage without destroying suspension performance. 386 pounds dry means you actually pick it up yourself after drops. Most seniors manage that without yoga preparation or calling for backup. The 4.6-gallon tank gives 250-plus mile range between fuel stops. The honest truth, CF Moto dealers remain scarce. Resale values trail Japanese brands, but fully adjustable KYB suspension at $6,499 proves budget pricing doesn't mean budget suffering anymore. This unicorn shouldn't exist, but here it is. CF Moto basically looked at industry pricing and said, "Watch this," with complete confidence. Speaking of solutions that make sense, 5 eliminates a problem you've accepted for decades. Number 5. Honda NC75 OXD-CT. You're sitting at a red light. You've pulled that clutch 37 times in the last 10 minutes of stop-and-go traffic. Your left hand is cramping. Your wrist aches. You're wondering why motorcycle cycling still requires this medieval lever-pulling torture when your car figured out automatic transmissions back when Nixon was president. The pain shoots up your forearm, and you know tomorrow morning your hand will barely grip a coffee cup. Every time you mention automatic motorcycles, someone says real riders use clutches, like suffering builds character. Those people are 28 years old with hands that don't hurt. They'll understand in 20 years when their arthritis flares up. Meanwhile, you're stuck pretending clutch pain is just part of the experience. The NC75 OXD-CT at $9,499 says, forget that entire conversation. The dual-clutch transmission shifts automatically or manually via paddle shifters. Your left hand just rests there peacefully. Sport mode holds gears. Standard balances everything. Economy hits 70-plus miles per gallon because Honda engineers are obsessed with efficiency. Shifts happen smoother than manual clutch work without the constant left-hand workout. Here's where Honda gets weird and brilliant. That 21-liter storage compartment under the seat holds full-face helmets or a week's worth of gear. The actual fuel tank sits low, dropping center of gravity so dramatically that slow speed maneuvers feel like riding a 400 cubic centimeter bike. 31.66 inches seat plants, feet firmly. 493 pounds feels manageable. The 745 cubic centimeter parallel twin lacks character. The automatic removes engagement. You're deliberately trading involvement for comfort, but zero clutch fatigue and 70-plus miles per gallon means 1,000 tours without hand cramps. This is what happens when Honda listens to riders over 50 instead of magazine editors. Honda finally admitted that practical beats cool every single time. Now, if you want V-twin character wrapped in legendary reliability, number 4 delivers beautifully. Number 4, Suzuki V-Strom 800. There's comfortable, then there's I just finished 500 meters and genuinely feel like doing another 300 tomorrow morning. Comfortable? Most bikes live in the first category. The V-Strom 800DE lives permanently in the second without apology or compromise. Other snorts manufacturers make claims Suzuki just builds bikes that actually deliver. You finish riding and realize you forgot to take ibuprofen because you didn't need it. That legendary wide saddle isn't marketing talk. It genuinely feels like your favorite recliner at home. Writers casually mention 400-mile days in forums without dramatic storytelling or creative profanity. They just rode 400 meters and felt fine afterward. That shouldn't be remarkable, but in motorcycle cycling, it absolutely is. The 776 cubic centimeter parallel twin with 270-degree crank generates 84 horsepower, delivering V-twin rumble without V-twin maintenance nightmares. At 455 pounds wet, it hits the perfect balance. Stable enough for highways, yet manageable enough for parking lots. The engineering genius. That 270-degree crank creates perfect primary balance without counterbalances. Your hands don't vibrate numb at 75 miles per hour anymore. The mirrors actually show clear reflections instead of blurry vibration. The seat measures 32.5 inches standard with low seat options dropping to 31.7 inches. Bidirectional quick shifter comes standard eliminating clutch work during spirited riding. 3 power modes adjust character. Showa suspension soaks potholes. Radially mounted 4-piston Tokyo calipers deliver confident stopping without gorilla grip strength. At $9,699 with oil changes every 7,500 meters. Owners regularly report 80,000-plus miles with minimal drama. Suzuki built this for riders who value proven reliability over flashy marketing. This is the bike experienced riders choose when comfort becomes absolutely non-negotiable forever. Suzuki knows that boring reliability beats exciting breakdowns every time. But what if you want German engineering with seat options for literally everyone? Number 3 has you covered. Number 3, BMW F800GS. Walk into any BMW dealership and you'll see the R1300GS sitting there like a monument to human ambition. Beautiful machine, absolutely gorgeous. Seat height taller than your kitchen counter. You'd need a stepladder and courage. Salespeople joke about needing basketball tryouts before test rides. You watch other customers struggle to mount it and feel relieved when they give up. Then you notice the F800GS sitting quietly in the corner. Same GS capability, same legendary BMW engineering, except this one doesn't require climbing gear or YouTube tutorials on how to mount tall adventure bikes without embarrassing yourself. The genius move. BMW offers seat options from 30.7 to 34.3 inches. Extra low, low, standard, comfort, rally. Basically covering everyone from hobbits to basketball players. Find your height. BMW has the seat. Problem solved with German efficiency. They actually measured real humans instead of assuming everyone stands 6 feet 3. The 798 cubic centimeters parallel twin produces 87 horsepower with smooth linear power that builds confidence instead of triggering panic. A BS Pro cornering ABS and dynamic traction control comes standard. 6.5-inch TFT display with BMW connected app shows navigation clearly. The 3-year unlimited mile warranty with ultimate care break-in service provides peace of mind. Japanese brands don't match remotely. At 500 pounds wet with a 32.1-inch standard seat, lower able to 30.7 inches, this is GS capability without GS intimidation. 11,620 gets you German engineering that respects the fact that not everyone stands 6 feet 3. That warranty alone saves stress about expensive repairs when living on fixed income. BMW finally built a GS that welcomes riders instead of challenging them. Now, if you want British triple character with serious touring comfort, 2 combines everything perfectly. Number 2, Aprilia Touareg 660. You mention Italian motorcycles and most people think beautiful but unreliable or expensive maintenance nightmares. They haven't noticed that modern Italian engineering actually works. Now Aprilia looked at adventure bikes, saw everyone buying Japanese, and decided to build something nobody expected. A lightweight, reliable, affordable Italian adventure bike that actually makes sense. The Touareg 660 at $12,999 weighs just 444 pounds wet. That's 61 pounds lighter than the V-Strom 800DE and handles like a middleweight sport bike pretending to be an adventure machine. When you drop it, and you will eventually, you pick it up yourself without calling for backup or questioning life choices. That 659 cubic centimeter parallel twin produces 80 horsepower with smooth linear power delivery, rewarding decades of throttle control experience. 270-degree crankshaft creates V-twin character without V-twin weight. At highway speeds, your hands stay comfortable. Aprilia. APRC electronic suite includes cornering ABS, traction control with off-road modes, engine brake control, cruise control, and wheelie control. 5-inch TFT display shows everything clearly. Kayaba suspension with 9.44 inches travel soaking potholes smoothly. The seat measures 33.5 inches standard with optional low seat available. 4.9-gallon tank provides 250-plus mile range between fuel stops. The Brembo brakes with radial mount calipers deliver confident stopping without gorilla grip strength required. Here's what nobody tells you. Aprilia dealers remain scarce compared to Japanese brands, but 444 pounds of capable adventure bike with premium electronics at $12,999 proves Italian engineering evolved beyond stereotype. This is the bike experienced riders discover after dismissing Italian motorcycles as too complicated for years. Aprilia basically said lightweight matters more than displacement and built exactly that. Oil changes every 7,500 miles. This is what happens when Italians build adventure bikes for riders instead of Instagram. But what if you want everything the Touareg offers, plus heated luxury and flagship British character? Number 1. Delivers perfection. Number 1. Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro. Let's talk about that $1,900 difference between the GT and GT Pro. Some people see that and think unnecessary luxury. Those people haven't experienced arthritis flare-ups triggered by cold morning rides or spent an hour adjusting suspension with tools while their back complains loudly. They don't understand that comfort becomes medicine after 50. That $1,900 buys back pain-free mornings and hands that still work after long rides. The GT Pro at $16,895 takes everything brilliant about the GT and adds features that transform touring from "I survived" to "let's do that again tomorrow." Same 888 cubic centimeters, triple delivering 106.5 horsepower. Same Brembo-style brakes. Same 483-pound weight. Different comfort level entirely. Electronically adjustable Marzocchi rear suspension transforms from sport sharp to Cadillac soft via handlebar controls without touching tools. Morning back stiffness doesn't dictate your riding style. Solo riding? Dial it in. Two up with luggage? Adjust accordingly. Heated rider and passenger seats aren't luxury. They're medical necessity when cold triggers inflammation lasting 3 days. The adjustment happens with button presses while riding instead of wrenches in parking lots. 5 ride modes instead of 4, including fully customizable rider mode. Triumph Shift Assist, quick shifter for clutch, less shifting. Cruise control for endless straightaways. 7-inch TFT display showing navigation clearly. Tire pressure monitoring preventing problems before they start. Center stand, making chain maintenance genuinely easier when knees don't bend like they used to. This is what 1,900 extra buys when every feature actually matters to aging bodies. Same 5.2-gallon tank, same 200-plus mile range, same reliability, just wrapped in heated comfort with electronic convenience. For experienced riders demanding flagship comfort without compromise, this is it. This is the bike for riders refusing to quit. Triumph built the ultimate senior-friendly adventure bike and charged fairly for it. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you actually want honest reviews built for experienced riders instead of 25-year-old influencers, hit that like button and share this with your riding buddies who keep complaining about back pain. From the $5,799 Himalayan with Google Maps built into the $16,895 Tiger GT Pro with heated everything. Which one keeps you riding when everyone else quits? Drop your choice in the comments. Subscribe for reviews that respect your experience, not your age. And if you know someone shopping for a touring bike who keeps getting told they need to spend more, send them this video. The best validation for any bike is owners who refuse to sell them. Want to know which bikes never break down regardless of age? If you spotted your next ride or learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling us which bike you'd take on a grand tour. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one.